morning thoughts. Alright, so first of all, let me say I'm in pain. My arms hurt because I'm gonna do some arm workout. People, listen, I put up a video yesterday or day before yesterday where I said I'm gonna start this cleanse and start going to the gym and get back in shape on these things, and I would like some of my audience members to follow along so we can all get fit and live long and all these things. And one big talk about health is wealth and all these things. And check it, I can't straighten my arm out. My arm is actually, this is the second, it's day 2, right? And I can't straighten my arm out. Now, I'm not new to this. It's happened before. So that's why I hate to stay out of the gym for a long time. Because anytime you start workout, right, and you get in your groove, you start drop the pounds, your body start carve up, and them thing that, you know what I'm saying, you start cutting up, and then you slack off and go back to putting on weight, extra added pounds, and losing all that stuff that you gained. You're going to have to start from zero again. So right now, my hand can bend, yes, but it can't straighten out completely. I literally have to wedge my hand between both legs and bend it just to straighten out at the elbow. I'm advising everybody not to go so hard on the first, second, and third day. Matter of fact, on the first week, don't kill out yourself so much. Take your time and ease your way back into it. Now, Brains, she been walking, and how you walk, baby?
Very slow.
She walks very slow, but she walks for a whole hour though. Yeah. And you gotta, and considering she has a belly, a baby in her belly. By the way, the baby should be here pretty soon. We're ready for him to come, and we can't wait. And she is definitely ready now. She spent the whole night last night tossing and turning and moaning and groaning. But things that she'd over there make love to somebody else. I had to check, and she was, so I gotta get up in the middle of the night and rub her belly down and all this stuff. I rub her belly down while she asleep. What's wrong with you, babe? My belly, the baby is stretching. So, as you know about pregnancy, I don't know, the mothers out there will know this, but the man them, I don't know if you know. It's at this point of the pregnancy, Brains 8 months, so 9 months is full. Done. A woman carry for 9 months, right? So at this point of her pregnancy is where the baby puts on rapid weight. So it's rapid growth right now. So he's growing really, really, really fast. And she has to deal with that. Her body has to adjust to the speed of his growth, right? And it's not exactly comfortable. But to see her go through it and see, boy, woman gonna do some things for bring baby coming out this world, boy. I'm kind of glad. I'm very glad that a man is not the species that actually bring the babies. But a woman's body was designed to do just that. So she'll be just fine, right? What am I talking about this morning? Nothing other than what I've been talking about. I hope everybody wake up this morning healthy, happy, and it is the weekend. It's definitely the weekend. It's Saturday. It's kind of gloomy outside here in Florida. I don't know what the weather looks like where you're at, but here in Florida, it's kind of gloomy. Me in my living room, just sit down and chill out. It's kind of gloomy right here in Florida, right? And I'm still going to take the kids to the beach, because my kids are my beach kids. They say they want to go to the beach even if it's raining. Now, the last time we went to the beach, it was fun, even though it was raining, because there was no lightning, no thunder. And you know, you play in the water, plus water fall on you, and the weather is warm. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm a water person, especially beach. So we're going to see how that goes today. And there's a play park right next to the beach where Nani, my little girl, can go and play. And wear her out, make sure go enjoy herself. That's her favorite park anyway, so we're going to do that. I'm going to answer my front door and have a good evening. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't know who's knocking. I will be. Say hello now. Alright, hold on. Hello? I bet so. Yeah, man. I was actually gonna cut the video short, but me not bother. Brain's been doing a lot of online shopping lately. Me sure she didn't know who. Yo, man, I wanna hear package them come. You, one of the baby package them. She got something in the mail right here. Babe, should I open it? I'm gonna open it with y'all and see what it is. Oh, where you buy it? Where you get this from? Amazon?
No, it's Walmart.
Oh, Walmart online? Alright, so I don't know if y'all know this, but and some people didn't ask for that when we went to go pick up some of the baby stuff, if you can order and get pickup from Walmart. Yes, Walmart online. You know, everything is online now. That's the way the world is moving. So, and I know you might know it, but other people don't know. So for the people who don't know, you can order stuff online and go pick your stuff up at your local Walmart. Okay? If you don't have a Walmart in your area, then I don't know what to tell you. And this is what she ordered. So this is, look at it again. So it's a suction standing brush, a bottle nipple brush is what she ordered.
Yeah, we're sterilizing the baby bottles and nipples and stuff, so.
Right, so that's the bottle nipple brush, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So let them send it in this big old box, and like I said, I want to for something, we get all excited, and I want a little brush in there. Anyhow, people, staying off the road, really, except for I'm going out with the kids. Just take some time and relax my body. I've been working very hard for the last 9 months, so I'm just going to take some time, relax my body before I probably got to go back out there again. Oh, last night I finally sat down and
outlined
my book, right? So I don't know if I've said this before or you missed it before, but I have 2 goals. I want a reggae album that goes on Billboard, and I want a book that goes on a bestseller list in Jamaica. People have said, why y'all go after Jamaica, because, and not go after a global market. It could go out to the global market, but, you know, in Jamaica, we say dance a yard before you dance abroad. So any king wants to be honored in his own kingdom, in his own country. You see what I say? So I want to be honored in my own place. A greatness we say we come for doing now. Understand? And how great would it be to add that to your resume? So I've been working on this book, but the book's been kind of like all over the place. Like I've been having like sporadic ideas, and then when I write them down, I'm like, all right, that board sound like it could have go in chapter 2 or chapter 3, but I have to clear up chapter 1 first. So that's what I've been working on. I've been working on the book. Right, I'm not going to tell you the title of the book. There's too many copycats out there. Next thing you know, somebody released one book with the same name before I do. The artwork is going to be ill, but the content of the book is what's going to be ill. And my audience been saying, yo, I can't wait to see y'all on stage with Mr. Winford Williams and these things. I genuinely think that those things are in the future once this book is done. We don't want to go to Jamaica with no product. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to go to Jamaica with nothing to show and just come sit on people's show and talk about vlogging. Every Jamaican is a vlogger now, so anybody could do that. We want a book that's going to wake people up. We want a book that's going to leave a mark, an impact, cause an impact, stir up some feathers, ruffle some feathers. You know what I'm saying? Stir up some shizzle. That kind of thing that we want a book where people are going to hold their mouth and say, oh my God, that kind of book. We want a book that's going to uplift and educate also and make people say, wow, really? Damn, I'm proud, I'm happy to know that. I didn't know this. Let me go to research more about this. That kind of book. So give me some time. The deadline for my book was in July. I said I wanted the book to be done by July. So y'all know we have enough things that go on right now. It's May now. June, July, baby are coming in June if him not come earlier. But we working on so much right now, but it's gonna happen. The book for sure is gonna happen because I know what's gonna come after the book. See, we have people in England, especially people in England, Africa, Canada. Them three places there, right? You know, Africa is a whole continent, it's not just one country. So we have people way over there side of Africa. Brain's been wanting to go. What's your part you want to go first, baby? Ghana. So we have Ghana in the pipelines. Of course, we have to wait till the baby old enough to travel. So if he's born in June, we should be taking our first trip somewhere by the end of the year of this year, right? And we're definitely going to be taking that trip. I don't care if we have to take it to the next neighboring country, but we're going to be taking a trip somewhere. So you're going to get to see like us traveling with the baby and all this other things. But that book is going to take us places. That way, when I meet people, or when we meet people, say in Canada or England, we can actually, it's going to be like a book signing, an event where people can come out and meet and greet and talk like a bit and them kind of thing there. And get, yeah, that me say, book signing, get them books signed, autograph by SouFLoTV in person and these kind of things. And of course, my beautiful wife will be there on my side and these kind of things. I can't say, hi baby, unless the baby there at the hotel with mummy and cause him gripey this morning or something like that. But we got a lot of stuff in the pipe works, man. Today, we dropped a video on, a vlog video on, on SouFLoTV. For those of you who don't know, we have a channel called SouFLoTV, which is our vlogging channel, which we haven't been posting too much content to, but we are going to be posting more content to it. But we did drop a fresh video. It's about 30 minutes long of a nice vlog for you guys. We spent a couple of days ago and attending a movie premiere, and it was epic. We talked a little bit about that. You get to see Brains do our makeup and step out fresh and sexy and what other kind of words y'all use these days? Snatched. I think that's getting old. Well, I forgot makeup a word. But anyway, she was looking hella sexy, hella pregnant, and we just take y'all on a journey, food included and everything. So go check that out on SouFLoTV. I'm going to leave this right here. Oh yeah, but we haven't yet, baby. We're going to be going live this weekend, but we haven't figured out a time yet. So stay tuned to the channel because as soon... Or comment what time you want in the comment section for us to go to live. Alright, so we're going to be going live this weekend. I'll set Sunday. Sunday, because I'm not going to do with the kids them today. So if anything, I'm going to be coming back late. So Sunday, tell us what time Sunday you want us to go live. Alright? And if you don't tell us and we can't agree all together on the channel, what I'm going to do is we're going to pick a time and then we're going to put a video out saying what time we're going to go live and what topics we're going to be discussing. You can also leave topic comments in this video comment section what you want to be addressed. Alright? And it can be anything from dancehall music to socio-economic topics, something serious, something funny. You know, we balance the scales. We're not all the way left or right. Keep it centered. Big up on yourself, man. It's SouFLoTV. I'm up out of here. Say bye, baby.
Bye, guys.
All right. She said later. Peace.